Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and today we're going to go through some common issues that some people may run into when making custom face masks with white toner transfers. So Mark is going to walk you through some great tips and tricks for when you're using a traditional heat press that should help you move past any of the roadblocks that you could be having. Over to you, Mark.
Looking at this right here, the assumption that we would make is that we've got uneven pressure on this, and if we look at, we have different designs that are peeling up in different areas. It's typically a sign of when pressure is uneven. It might not seem like a lot, but this material right here, if we're looking at layers, this is 2 layers because it's folded in half. Well, this is doubled up already, plus there's a 3rd layer in here that it's sewn onto. So this is actually 6 layers, and this is only 2 layers of material. So it's actually 3 times as thick. So it's a significant difference. So one thing we have right here is we have this Teflon pillow. This might be a solution for it. What's great about this is as you put pressure down, more pressure will go in this area and this area, and it can give you a flat surface. This might be a good solution for getting more even pressure. The problem with this is we often are doing high pressure with transfers like this. Having high pressure means we can squish this pad almost all the way down, which might not alleviate enough of that pressure difference in the middle. So a solution that I've preferred lately, especially for masks, is getting a print perfect pad or just actually buying another lower Platen, just the cover. And you can buy both of these online. We sell both of these. Then you can cut your pad up to fit inside here. Now, this is about the right thickness, or width, I should say, for your design, but we're still going to have a problem with uneven pressure here, so we can actually cut this down into the shape. So we'll go ahead and cut that and show you what it looks like. So here's the other side of this, and we have a transfer that will fit on top of the pad that's underneath there. Just a little heat tape to keep it in place. Let's go ahead and just press this like normal.
Now, depending on what material your mask is made of, it will affect the time and temperature. So you want to make sure that you read the instructions that come with your Easy Peel transfer paper. We're now going to let this mask cool completely.
So to finish it, we still want to use this. Again, the even pressure is going to be a big deal.
Another thing to keep in mind is that some mask material, just like any other garments or objects, may hold more heat than others. So after the finishing press, if your mask still feels really hot to the touch, you can wait a couple seconds before removing your finishing sheet. Thanks for watching this quick video, and you can find all the products used today on ColemanandCompany.com.